Red light flash. Alright, toes on X's. Do you understand the course of fire? Not when you're ready. Shooters ready, stand by. If you're finished, unload, show clear. You're clear, slide, hammer, and holster. 25.51. Range is clear. Tape reset score.
That's my last bullet. I need that.
Looks like you're gonna have 1C.
Yeah.
That's luck on that.
Unless
I wasn't sure what the one over. 2 or no? You shot that an extra time. You're good. Or no? Yeah.
2 C's. One here, one there.
Yeah.
Right?
Good.
You happy, camper?
That'll work for me.
Pretty quick, Dan.
Yeah, kind of rusty.
Oh, what's this?
A little bit more tape out than that. That needs.
We need capers.
Hey, Dan. Here, Matt.